freaking silent. I mean, there's a little quick pull right there. My car sounds like a vacuum cleaner or something, like you can't hear anything. That's crazy. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's another day, man. We're gonna shoot back over to the shop, get the oil filter installed for my grandpa, and then I want to assess the damage on my wheel. Let me show you guys a clip real quick.
Retro number something's with the East St. Laurent.
Oh, nah, we gotta fix that, y'all.
That shit there?
Nope, that don't work, man. I can't do that rattle, so I need to take care of that speaker rattle today too. I think it's just one of the push clip. I think it popped out or something. So also, because I get this question like more often than you would think, especially since I put the video out about deleting your AFM valves. I always get the question, do I have a check engine light from zip tying them up out of the way? No check engine light. It's been well over a week. I did have a check engine light from it. You guys go check that video out if you want to see why I did. And yeah, so no check engine light from that. We're good to go there. Also too, I had a little teaser at the beginning of last video. I don't know how many of you guys caught it. I just kind of dropped it in there and I let it go. So we'll talk about that at the end of today's video too. So let's get it. So we're back at the shop. We're gonna get this oil change knocked out real quick. There's where the oil filter goes. So I'm gonna get that installed, get this thing off the lift and be done with it. So the issue with the oil filter is the nut that screws on. If you look at this one here, it's a little bit bigger than this one over here. I want to clean up all this corrosion around the battery cable for him. So I got this battery cleaner here. We'll spray this on it. This stuff works pretty good. If you guys ever used it before. It just eats up all the corrosion and then it starts bubbling up like this, and then you just rinse it off with water. Let that sit for a little bit. Start this thing up. Reset it. Bada bang, bada boom. Ended up pressure washing this whole thing again. Now we're gonna get this vacuumed out. We're gonna get you all the way back together, Pop. Got my grandpa all the way together. Now we back at the shop. Now I teased this at the beginning of my last video. I don't know if you guys caught it or not though. It was a little bit in the distance. Here it is, Metro Restyling. The leader in color change vinyl wrap. That's right, y'all. I finally did it. I finally got the wrap. Got the tools to go with it. I got the knifeless tape so that this is good for like putting into the seams, and then you leave a little bit of the tape sticking out and you're able to pull it, cut along whatever seam you need to. Got the little tools that I need, little magnets, knives, little things to put it on flat, all of that. So we are set up to go, you guys. That's gonna be the next video for sure. Here's the wrap right here. I'll show it to you guys. Bow. There's the wrap. You're gonna have to wait till next video for the color. Now for the wrap, this isn't a wrap for my entire car. I'm gonna start off slow because I've never wrapped before, you guys. This is gonna be my first time. So what I'm gonna do is I got wrap to wrap the hood, and then I'm gonna wrap the roof and wrap the trunk. I'm gonna do it all a different color than the rest of the car. Stay tuned till next video to see what color I end up wrapping it. So I know you guys heard the rattle in my deck lid, man. That got to go. I can't do it no more. Now I think that it happened when I was installing the sound deadening back here originally, and I think it's this one right here. It's popping in and out and making it rattle. I don't know if the light lets you guys see, but you can see the sound deadener coming through there. So I'm gonna try cutting this off, get some of that off of there and see if I can get rid of the rattle. And hopefully it pops into place right there because I can't do that.
No can do.
I think it's this right here rattling. I don't even think it is that clip. That clip looks all good. You see these are kind of loose, so I'm gonna get some tighter push pins and then I'm gonna put a little sound deadening right underneath here because I can't do that rattle, y'all. So here we go. I grabbed some more sound deadener. I got it put in right there. The lighting's all bad, but yeah, I got it put in right here. Hopefully get rid of that. Put new push pins in. Got the push clips. Let's get it. All right, y'all. The push clips are in. Let's see what's going on with this wheel now. So we out here at the car wash, you guys. I know I keep saying I'm gonna quit doing these types of car washes, but I just don't have any damn time lately, and my car is freaking filthy, as you guys can see. I still got these specs on here. from like all the ash and everything. So I want to get this cleaned up, and then after I get this cleaned up, we'll check out this front wheel up here, and I really want to assess the damage, see how bad it actually is, tell you guys about the shops I reached out to. So let's get it. You know, nothing crazy, it's something light, quick little wash, you know. I just really want to be able to assess what's going on with this wheel right here. Now, if you guys don't know and you missed last video, 2 videos ago, I can't remember what it is anymore, make sure you go check out that video. I messed around and I curved my rim. I didn't even curve it, I hit it on the lift, going into the lift in the shop. So yeah, I kind of want to assess the damage, see how bad it really is. I need to get some pictures taken of it. If you guys can see it there, got a little bit of water, but yeah, man, got that sucker pretty good. It's really not all that bad though. And actually, get this metal off. Actually, when you stand back, like, yeah, I see it, yeah, it got curved, but it's not like hideous, it's not terrible, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna roll on it for that long at all. I'm gonna get it fixed as soon as I can, you guys. I reached out to a guy, he was on Yelp, says they fix curb rash and stuff, but the only issue is that I'll probably need the rim repowder coated. I don't know if I really want to just respray that spot. I'd kind of like to do the whole thing, but they were talking about they only go up to 19-inch rims and I'm 20s, and it's like, come on. I mean, I'm right there. But anyways, I reached out to the guy anyways. He said to send him some pictures, so I'm gonna send him pictures of this, let him know how it looks. They're talking about like 200 bucks to repowder coat it and to paint the gloss all on it. And then he's got another quote on there where he's talking about 150 to fix the curb rash. So I don't know if that will be included in the $200 or if I'm supposed to be combining both of the prices. He didn't really give me much of an answer when I reached out to him, so we'll find out about that. But yeah, let me get these pictures. I need to make one of these a thumbnail, low key though. Low key. Let me get my thumbnail right quick, you guys. Ooh, this baby's shining, man. I needed a car wash in a major way, you guys. I still love the hell out this car. But anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video. Wanted to come at you guys with a quick little update. Stay tuned for the wrap. I'm out, baby. Peace.